Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of USDCHF US dollar Swiss franc. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, then please subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis, and do not forget to check out the Forex analysis playlist on my YouTube channel for the analysis of other pairs like Euro USD, GBP USD, USD JPY, Gold USD, and many more. So let's get started. So this is the 4-hour chart of USD CHF in front of us right now, and as you can see that I have got many lines drawn here on the chart, so do not get confused. I'll be explaining them one by one. Stay tuned and let's get started. So if we look at the overall trend of the market here, then we can see that overall trend looks very much confusing because there is no proper trend present here on the chart. Generally we see that overall trend is always either towards the upside or towards the downside. But if you look at the chart of USD CHF here, then we can see that overall there is no proper trend present here. It looks like a sideways market or a choppy market. So overall trend is confusing. Okay. And if we look at the present trend also, okay, or if we just focus on this particular portion of the chart, then also we do not get any clear picture here, because the market went up, there was a heavy buying on the market, and once market reached the resistance, and then market started going down. So it looks like a trend reversal, because already you can see that around 50% retracement on the market. Okay, but still right now again market is trying to recover from here. We can see some price rejection from below. So overall trend is messed up, confusing, and the present trend is also not giving us any clear picture. Okay, so from the trend wise we are not getting any picture here. Okay, so next point, area of value. As I have spoken in hundreds of my videos that before executing any order we should always try to find out the area of value. Area of value is nothing but the best trading opportunity or the best trading spot. As I have always spoken in hundreds of my videos that the best trading opportunity in an uptrend market is always near this support. Okay, and it means that if you want to go for a buy opportunity, buying order, then always try to buy near the support. And if you want to go for selling opportunities, or if you want to short the market, then the area of value is always near the resistance. But this market is kind of confused. We are also not sure in which direction the market will go. So we will try to look for area of value on both the side. We'll just consider this market as a sideways market, and in sideways market area of value is present at the support as well as the resistance, because in sideways market neither buyers nor sellers, nobody is dominating. The number of buyers and sellers are almost equal. As a result, area of value is at both the sides. So in case of USDCHF, as we do not have any proper trend present here, therefore we will try to look for opportunities on both the sides. Clear? Okay. So when we go to weekly chart here, as we all know, weekly chart is important for the market because it belongs to the institutional traders, the big players, the big boys. So once we go to the USDCHF weekly chart, then we can see that we have a resistance here on the chart, and you can see that market is unable to cross the resistance since the last week of June. Since the last week of June, market is trying to cross the level, and you can see that whenever market tried to go up, it faced selling pressure from above. Therefore, this level on the weekly chart is important, because one thing we have understood that some sellers are sitting at the level. Some sellers are present at the level who are not allowing the market to go up. Okay, therefore, this level, okay, this red line is important. Okay, so what's the level here? Let's try to find out. 0.9187. So my dear friends, if you do not have these lines in your charting platform, then you can just draw these lines so that you can also analyze the market better, so that you can understand the market better, and most importantly you can trade better. So this red line is important for the market because this is a resistance from the weekly chart, and this level is acting as a resistance for the market since the last week of June. Clear? Okay. And the next important level is this line. This is a resistance for the market. Sorry, this is a support for the market. I'm 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 losing my mind. It's 0.92. What is the level? 0.9023 is the support for the market. This support level is not strong enough, not strong like the resistance, this level, but still we can see that when market fell sharply, this was the level that provided support to the market. Therefore we have a resistance from the weekly chart which is very strong, and we have a support. Okay, we have a support here. And apart from these two levels, you can see that I have also drawn a zone here. Okay, this zone is also the resistance for the chart, because you can see that whenever market reach this particular zone here, market face resistance. Therefore this is our second resistance. Listen to me carefully. This is our second resistance. But right now market is trading here. Therefore we will not be talking about much about this resistance level, because only these two levels are important for the market right now. And as you can see that right now market is trading here. Almost market is trading in the middle here. Middle. Therefore if you go for a buy here, then your stop loss will be here, and this will be a take profit target. So your risk to reward ratio does not match. On the other hand, if you just short the market here, listen to me carefully, if you just short the market here, your stop loss will be here, this will be your take profit target. Your risk to reward ratio is in your favor, but still don't you think that this gap is too much, this stop loss is too much? So this trade is not a favorable trade for you, because if you buy or sell here, the trade is not in your favor. And if you ask me what is the best trading opportunity on the USDCHF chart, then I'll say that if you are looking for the safest trading opportunity, then you should either short the market here, or if you go for, you should go for a buy at this level here. So in case market goes up from here and reverses, then you can think about shorting the market. Or on the other hand, in case market comes down and reverses from this particular support level, or bounces from the support level, then you can go for a buy. But trading in the middle is not my way of trading. So I'll say that as long as market is trading in the middle, market is you'll find market in the middle, please avoid USD CHF, because we do not have any clear picture from the market right now. And as you can see that if you trade in the middle, then you will be compromising with the trading discipline. My dear friends, there are plenty of opportunities available on the market, so you should not risk your hard-earned money on a chart that is in the middle. Therefore please avoid USD CHF as long as it is trading in the middle, and only trade when market will either reach this level on the upside and reverse, or market will come down and bounce from this level. These are the two safe trading opportunities for you. This is my analysis. Your analysis may vary. If you think that I am wrong, then please comment down in the comment section. I would love to learn from you. Okay, and if you look at the Forex sentiment meter here, you'll find a Forex sentiment meter on my website avilashhazarika.com under Forex 101 section. USDCHF, yes, here's the USDCHF. You can see that 21% retail traders have taken short position and 78% retail traders have taken long position. And as we all know, 90% retail traders lose money, and this is a fact, because the market is falling and retail traders, 78% retail traders have already taken long position, and obviously you can see that 78% retail traders are in loss right now because they fail to follow the trend of the market. So my dear friends, do not make the same mistake. Trade wisely, trade properly, and always go for safe trading opportunities only. Do not gamble your hard-earned money on a chart that you do not understand. So this is it. Hopefully you've understood. If you have liked the video and found the video informative, give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. Thank you so much. All the best. Take care. See ya tomorrow. Bye bye.